I jumped onto the very end, and it says I want to know what is going to be the area of this inside figure, MNPT. Now, I know this is y, this distance is y, so I went around and I already labeled these as y. Now, I know this entire part is a distance of x, so this is x minus y. Now, this is a square. It says up here this is a square. That means I know a square is going to be length times width, or s times s. So if I can figure out what the hypotenuse of this small right triangle is, I'm just going to square it. I'm going to be done. Is everybody good at that? So here's what I need to remind you. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm trying to find c, correct? And ultimately, I want to square c, because let's call this c, because c times c is the area. So if I even figure out what is on the right-hand side, that's c squared. That's s times s, or length times width. The square is c times c. These are the exact same. So let's figure out what we have. Let's call this leg y. So I have y squared plus, and then I have x minus y squared equals c squared. And I just want to know what's on the right-hand side. Okay, now I need to go back to freshman year, and I need to FOIL as quick as possible. So foiling, I go front, outside, inside, and last. And then I combine like terms. Okay, so I have 1x squared, and so I'm going to look off to the side. Anything without an x squared I cancel out. And then I have minus 2xy, because there's two groups of them. Oh, I get to cancel out those. And then I have two groups of y squared plus 2y squared. Correct answer is E.